Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cool zoom cut, velocity and reverse edit for your TikTok vlog by using the CapCut Mobile. So here you just need to, for the first clip, you just need to select the clip. I'm going to select the second clip and I'm going to do the zoom cut edit. So click on a clip and go to where you want to zoom, for example here, and after that split the clip, click on split at the bottom. Then for the second part of the clip, let's zoom it in and reposition it like this. Okay, now you have this zoom cut edit like this, and now is velocity. And for the velocity, you need a clip with a lot of movement, for example like this. So just click on the clip and then go to style. Here click on the velocity option and click on the video effects and click on the auto velocity. Now it will be applied for the third clip in this case. Okay, so it has been applied. Click on the check icon. Now for the last part, we need to do the rewind or reverse edit. So click on the clip and duplicate it. Then on the last part here, let's reverse the clip. So click on the last part and click on reverse. CapCut will reversing the clip, and after that you are done. But if you have more clips than this, you can just repeat the steps on all of the clips. So this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.